Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Using an 8mm spanner, release the positive terminal and remove it. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, an extension and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut that fixes the metal holding plate. You can now remove the fastening plate. Remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new battery, coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Then, put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with an 8mm socket. Then put the negative terminals back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Putting the battery in place can be a little tricky, so you need to stay focused. Rest assured, we have just the tip to make it that little bit easier. Take a piece of paper towel and fold it in fours. Lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. By only using the extension, you will be able to screw the fastening plate back in place. As usual, start by hand, and for the final turns to tighten the screws, insert a wrench into the extension, block it, and remove the paper towel. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.